Hi friends, welcome to our channel with Akshar. Now I am telling about seed. This is a mango seed. These are badam seeds. This is also a mango seed. Next, what will come? I don't know. These are badam seeds. It is very healthy to us. These are groundnut seeds. They are very healthy for us. We eat them in daily life. Oh, I don't know which seed is coming out. This is a tamarind seed. This fruit contains so much C vitamin. This is a neem seed. The neem plant is a fast growing and long living tree native to Burma in India. From there, the neem trees has spread all over the world. In India, the neem medicinal plant is highly regarded because of its many uses and benefits. I don't know which seed is coming out. I think this is a supporter seed. In English, we call it sapodilla. Trees grow into new plants. They grow into big trees. Even a big tree is formed from a small seed. Now I think these are red gram seeds. We call in Telugu kandipappu seeds. It grows in fields and farms. These Now I am showing papaya seeds. This fruit is very healthy. This fruit contains so many seeds in them. We also eat that fruits. Now my father is teaching me how to plant seeds. I am also planting. The my father is teaching me how to plant trees. These plants don't grow big like trees. These only be like plants, small plants. Seeds are sargam seeds. In Telugu, they are called jannalu. The seeds, these seeds grow into new plants. Root is a very important part of a plant. It is the part of the plant found under the ground. Roots fix the plant in the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil and help the plant to grow. This is also a herb plant. Herbs. Small plants with soft and thin stems are called herbs. They live for a few months. Wheat, rice, mint, and tomato are herbs. This is a badam seed. It grows into a new plant. That is the small plant. These leaves are green. These leaves are the first leaves. This is an fully grown leaf plant. This is also a badam plant. It is in the shape of a butterfly. Look how beautiful it is. A badam plant. It After some years it becomes a big badam tree. It lives for many years. The thick woody stem of the tree is called a trunk. Most trees have these are neem seeds. These grow into a neem plant. A neem plant has fruits. This yellow fruit, this yellow seed is a fruit. These are all neem plants. I don't know. We don't plant them, but they came from the big neem trees. The seeds fall on our house and grow as small plants. It is a fast growing and a long living tree. Plants are used to make medicines. This is a mushroom. This mushroom is not eatable. Only some mushrooms are eatable. Mushrooms grow on the ground like plants, but they are not plants at all. They don't grow from seeds. I am showing the root of the neem tree. Look, it is white in color. The root is white in color. The roots are white or brown in color. This is another neem tree. Sorry friends, it is not a neem tree, it is a neem plant. Neem tree is a big tree. Neem plant is a small. Stem supports the plant above the ground. The leaf produces food for the plant. Now I am showing neem plant roots. Look how it is. It is colorless or white or brown. Mostly, you know what is this? This is a tamarind seed. It is rich in C vitamin. These are tamarind plants. These are very small now. When they become very big. Now I am explaining the parts of the tamarind plant. Root, stem, leaves, branches, flowers, fruits, seeds, and that is the parts of a tamarind plant. This is the tamarind seed. It grows into a new plant. This is the tamarind root. It is the part of a plant found under the ground. Roots fix the plant in the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil and helps the plant to grow. About the tamarind leaves, these are green in color and prepare food for the plant with the help of water, sunlight, and a gas called carbon dioxide, which is present in the air. This process is called photosynthesis. In tree branches, these help the leaves to get proper sunlight. Now I am telling about my favorite fruit, mango seed. Mango fruit. This is the mango seed. These are mango plants. Look how beautiful they are. These are very small now. After 6 years, they will become so big. After they become big, they will give me so many mango fruits. I can eat them every day morning. Every mango has a long flat seed in the center. Mango tree grows easily from seed. Get a fresh mango and silt the hard husk. Remove the seed inside fruit and plant it in a larger pot. Keep in mind that your new mango tree seedling will not produce fruits for at least 6 years. It must get proper sunlight, air and water. Now I am explaining about the germination of the seeds. Seeds are hidden inside fruits. When we saw seeds in the soil, new plants grow from them. Seeds contain food for the baby plants. Seeds need enough air, water and sunlight to grow into a new plant. The process of development of a seed into a new plant is called germination. Now my mother is plucking out the mango seed. I am interested in seeing the parts inside the mango plant. Mm, How I think the mango seed has a root inside the mango seed. My mother said that she will break it and show me the parts inside the seed. Look how it is. It looks like a snake, but it's not a snake. It is a root. It comes out of the seed when it gets a proper sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. Look how it is. I think it gets some earthworms. I am also seeing the earthworms in the first time. This is my mother said that she is taking earthworms. Look how the earthworms are there. Earthworms is a animal. Earthworms are the primary force residue from crops and other plants into the soil. Earthworms vary in size, but most are only a few inches long, and some are less than an inch, 25.4 millimeters. Earthworms change in color from reddish to grey to brown and also pink and skin color. These are earthworms. I think they are. I thought first time when I see them, I thought they were babies of snakes. Then my mother said that they are earthworms, not snake babies. Uh, I thought the snake will put eggs and uh, go away and come back for them. So very happy to see them. I want to put them on my hands. Look, my mother is giving me earthworms on my hand. Look how tall it is. It is an inch tall. No, 2 inches tall. It is all. Some earthworms become very big, like 1 meter like that. No, no, but 25.4 millimeters long. In mango plants, each part is important to the plant. Leaves, these are green in color and prepare food for the plant with the help of water, sunlight, and a gas called carbon dioxide, which is present in the air. My mother planted all mango plants in the oil bottle. These are kitchen compost plants. I'm showing groundnut seeds. Look how nice they are. These are groundnut plants. Look how small they are. They don't become big like trees. They are small plants. They are planted in fields and farms by farmers, and they these these seeds don't come on the branches, they come near the roots in the soil. In this plant, the roots of the plant are not colorless and white and brown in color. It is the root is the plant part of the plant found under the ground. Roots fix the plant in the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil that help the plant to grow. Plants, these plants live only for few months. They don't live for a long time. These plant leaves also green color. Uh, we see many plants in the fields and farms. They plant them, and also we also eat them in daily life. They are very healthy for us. Now I am showing red gram seeds. Look how small they are. They are brown in color. Look how they are small plants. They grow in fields. In Telugu, they call in Telugu kandipappu seeds. They grow as small plants. They don't grow as big trees. These plants are also herbs. They live for a few months. Stem is soft and thin. Now I am showing papaya seeds. This is a very good fruit. It contains more C vitamin. It is very healthy for our body. These are sapota seeds. Now I am showing sapota seeds. I have a big sapota tree in my house. Now I am showing another papaya plant here. So look how small it is. It gives us many fruits. It Now here I am showing a sapota plant. Look how they are. Their leaves are in green in color. Look, their roots are colorless and brown. Look how small it is. After some years it becomes a big tree. We can also take sapotas every day. In this project, I learned how seeds grow into new plants. This project is useful to us. Please share it with your friends. Thank you. Stay on, stay safe, and stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye.